Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, Xavier Lucero, and Coach Chito Viclair of Magnolia. Coach, and Save, congratulations. Sabi mo nga, Coach, the past 3 games, virtual do-or-die games na talaga for you. What can you say about how your players responded and played through the pressure of the past games?
First of all, I would like to thank Lord Jesus Christ for this win. Very proud, thankful. Na-appreciate ko lahat yung effort ng players ko because talagang tinatrabaho naman nila sa practice eh. I mean, we're practicing like a game situation. So talagang deserve naman nila nandito sa sitwasyon na to. Although yun nga, we've been to pressure pack games because of our discipline and execution for the whole game. I think we have a good chance, and itong chance na binigay naman sa amin, ginagrab lang namin yung opportunity. So thank again to the Lord Jesus Christ for the opportunity and chance na makapaglaro for number 8. The only thing is we have only 1 day to prepare, so hopefully we can survive on Sunday.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Xavier, one of our game analysts, the Dean, mentioned how you seem to be the barometer of this team. If you're playing well, the greater chance your team's going to win. And if you're struggling, then more difficult for your team to win. Just your thoughts on that.
I don't think that's too true. You know, it's a team game, and you know, I'm sitting here right now, but there's a lot of guys that played well tonight, and we probably would have been all right if I had 0 points tonight because guys were playing with the desperation and we were playing team basketball. So I think it's whenever us as a team, we play with each other and through each other, that's when we play our best. So it's good that we're playing that way right now.